Hi, welcome to Parenting the Intensity. Today will be a little different and really short. I'm just here to let you know that after a year and a half, the podcast will take a little break. Starting today, it will be the last episode for a little while. There will be a virtual retreat in February, like last year, if you were around. There was the Parenting the Intensity retreat last February, and it's coming back next February. And because I'm homeschooling 3 kids and I have a business and I have a life, doing all of that is a lot, honestly. And so I'm taking a little break of the podcast to be able to do prep everything for the retreat. I might come with a surprise episode once in a while until then. Maybe yes, maybe not. I'm not sure yet. But in the meantime, you can definitely listen back to previous episodes if you haven't listened to them all. I'm assuming most of you haven't listened to them all since July 2023 when we started. And so I encourage you to listen back to previous episodes. I will put in the show notes the link to last year's holiday season episode that talk about judgment and how to navigate extended family event and things like that, because I know at this time of year it's something that is very needed. There will be a workshop on that topic also at the end of November. I will put the link in the show notes if you want to come join us. Register for that workshop. So I think that's it for today. So it was very short. So you can come to the wait list also of the retreat if you want to learn more. I will also put the link in the show notes, but it's basically parentingtheintensity.ca/retreat. I think that's it for today. It was very short. I just wanted to let you know so you don't wonder if I disappeared or what. So just if you are not subscribed to the podcast to be notified when the next episode will come land, because I might have a few episodes with speakers of the retreat if I can squeeze them in before that happens. So stay tuned and come on the wait list if you want to know more information. If you're not on my email list, you can come on the website and get any resource for free. There's the self-care guide that is very, very targeted to parents of emotionally intense kids, so really realistic in your daily life. And there's also the Meltdown to Connection, from Meltdown to Connection guide, which is a very short guide to help you switch mindset with your kids. Although if you've been listening to the podcast, this will be very basic for you because we've talked about that at length over here. If you have any question, feel free also to email me at info@familymoments.ca. I answer to every email, not always the same day, but I will answer you for sure. So I hope you have a great holiday season, no matter what you are celebrating. Maybe it's already over for you. Maybe it's not for a little while, but no matter what, you're going to have a holiday at some point. So I hope you have a great holiday season and that I'll find you back here in March or on the retreat in February. Have a nice day.